welcome to our channel. Today we have for you prepared the unboxing and short review of Xiaomi Amazfit Smartwatch. All links to the products you will find in the description below. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's take a close look at this beautiful smartwatch called Xiaomi Amazfit GTR. The first what I can say, it has a very beautiful box, black box. Okay, let's open it to see what we have. Oh, there is another box in white color. Well, this looks very great too. Yes, nice. Okay, let's open it. Let's see what we have. Well, this is, as you can see, smartwatch inside. Okay, let's take it out. Let's see what we have out. Okay. Well, there must be a charger and okay, open. So can you see that? Yes, this is the charger that's magnetic. And here's the manual. Different language, Chinese, and so on. Okay, this by the side and see the self-watch. Yeah, let's peel off. First of all, it looks very elegant. The strap is in brown color, made of paper and strap's other side is very soft silk. Yes, in summer not so good. I mean. Okay, let's. And the strap is in normal size, standard size, and by the way, I have pre-charged this watch for this review, and it takes me about 2 hours to full charge, about 99%. Here is a lot of standard functions like step counting and other stuff. What I think is interesting in this watch, you can change the faces of the watch, the design. There is a lot, but before you use this watch you must download the Amazfit app for Android and iOS. The basic functions is not so complicated, very simple. About the specifications, the size for this Amazfit GTR 47mm is about 47mm, and the thickness is about 11mm. So weight, I have a stainless steel, it's approximately 48 grams. Water and dust resistance grade is about 5 atm. And the screen itself is 1.39 inch AMOLED with resolution 454 and 454. Touchscreen has a Corning glass, Gorilla Corning 3 temperature, anti-fingerprint coating. Well, the anti-fingerprint coating is, I don't know, I cannot see my own fingerprints on the screen. Tips of standard watch straps is, for mine, around liters. For mine, color. Strap wide is 22mm. Oh, I said it's standard size. Also, it has a GPS and GLONASS. Connectivity is via Bluetooth 5.0. And the battery capacity is 410 mAh, 3-polymer battery. It's only longevity or battery capacity is about the normal usage 24 days. I have it tested for 2 days and I found 90% charge. And you can see this watch looks very good on my hairy hand. Well, thanks for watching. If you're new to our channel, subscribe to see other new videos. Okay, that was our unboxing review. Smart, short review. Okay.